Look at this unique pattern, golden brown patches, almost like a puzzle stretched across a very, very tall shape. Do you know who this is? It's the giraffe. They are the tallest land animals in the world, using their incredible height to munch on leaves that other animals can't reach. All right, look at this. Bold, dark stripes cutting across fiery orange fur. Any guesses yet? Let me give you another clue. Zoom in on this massive paw. It has soft pads for silent stalking and sharp claws hidden inside. It's the tiger! Tigers are the biggest cats on Earth, and unlike many others, they are fantastic swimmers who love the water. Every tiger's stripe pattern is completely unique, just like a human fingerprint. Look very closely. A tiny shape with shiny, bright green skin. Here's another hint. Look at its feet. The tips of its toes are wide and sticky. It's a tree frog. These amphibians are expert climbers thanks to their special toes, allowing them to scale trees with ease. Their skin can absorb water, so they don't need to drink. A long, winding shape covered in smooth, glistening scales that catch the light. It's a snake. Snakes use their tongues to smell their surroundings, helping them track prey or sense danger. They play a vital role in the ecosystem by controlling rodent populations. Look at this beautiful golden coat covered in dark spots. Did you guess it? It's the leopard! Leopards are incredible climbers, strong enough to haul heavy prey high up into trees to keep it safe from other predators. This one might seem easy. A bold pattern of black and white stripes covering a strong, muscular body. It's a zebra. No two zebras have the exact same stripe pattern. It's their own personal barcode. These patterns are brilliant for defense. When a herd runs together, the mass of moving stripes makes it incredibly difficult for a predator to target a single animal. Look at this bumpy, scaly skin that seems to blend perfectly with the green leaves around it. Look at its eye. It's bulging and can swivel around in a full circle. It's a chameleon! Their amazing eyes allow them to look in two different directions at once. One eye can look for food, while the other watches for predators. A flash of brilliant, colorful feathers. Do you know this flying rainbow? It's a parrot! Parrots are famous for their intelligence and their incredible ability to mimic sounds, including human speech. Look into the water. You can just see a bumpy, armored back covered in thick, rough scales. It's a crocodile. These ancient reptiles are perfect ambush predators, capable of waiting for hours for the right moment to strike. Their bite is one of the most powerful in the entire animal kingdom. Our final animal is very mysterious. Look at its legs. They're covered in bold white stripes, almost like a zebra. Let's look at the rest of its body. The fur is a dark, reddish brown, which is very different from its legs. Look at its head. It has large ears for listening. It's an okapi! Often called the forest giraffe, this shy animal lives deep in the rainforests of Congo. Its stripes provide perfect camouflage in the filtered sunlight of the forest. This fuzzy yellow and black texture, tiny wings, what could it be? It's a bee! Bees may be small, but they do big work. They help flowers and crops grow by carrying pollen from one plant to another. Smooth green skin with tiny drops of water still resting on it. It's a frog. Frogs love ponds and puddles. They keep the farm clean by eating insects that bother the animals and plants. Soft feathers. Who's watching quietly from the barn roof? It's an owl. While everyone sleeps, the owl stays awake. It guards the barn and hunts the mice that sneak in for food. Bright feathers filled with tiny dots of color. It's a peacock! Some farms keep peacocks not just for their beauty, but because they warn others when something strange comes near. A round, spiral shell. It's a snail! Snails come out after rain, carrying their homes on their backs. They move slowly, but never stop, reminding us that patience can take you far. Thin wings folded tight and tiny claws gripping a branch. It's a bat! Bats sleep during the day and wake at night to eat mosquitoes and bugs that fly around the farm. Spiky back, tiny nose, and quiet steps under the bushes. It's a hedgehog! Hedgehogs eat worms and snails that harm the plants. They might look prickly, but they're gentle little helpers who keep the garden healthy. A big, round eye, dark and calm like the deep sea. It's a humpback whale. Humpback whales are famous for their long, beautiful songs that can travel across the ocean. Spotted skin that can change colors in a blink. That's right, an octopus. Octopuses can turn bumpy or smooth, hiding from danger. A hard, sharp claw with a mighty grip. Correct! A lobster. Those strong claws help lobsters crack open shells for food. Skin so rough it feels like sandpaper, made for speed. Who is it? You guessed it, a shark. Tiny scales on their skin help sharks glide quickly through the water. Tiny black and white feathers packed close together. Wonderful! A penguin. Their feathers trap air like a blanket, keeping them warm in icy seas. Sharp, white teeth lined up in a black and white smile. Yes, it's an orca. Orcas are called killer whales, but they're not really whales at all. They're the largest members of the dolphin family, and they hunt together like a team. A slippery body, smooth and shining in the dark water. An eel. Say it again. Eel. Eels can hide inside cracks and rocks, twisting their long bodies until they vanish from sight. Two giant teeth, long and curved like ivory spears. Yes, it's a walrus. Walruses use their tusks to pull themselves out of the water and onto the ice, like nature's climbing tools. A bright striped eye peeking from the coral reef. A lionfish. Its colorful stripes and sharp spines warn other animals to stay away. Long, sharp spines sticking out in every direction. Who is it? Great job, a sea urchin. Those spines protect them from curious fish that come too close. A bumpy surface stretching across 5 arms. Yes, it's a starfish. Starfish use tiny tube feet to slowly crawl along the ocean floor. A bright, colorful beak shaped for catching fish. A puffin. Puffins can hold many fish in their beak at once to feed their chicks. A curled body covered in tiny bony plates like armor. Who is it? That's right, a seahorse. Instead of scales, seahorses wear strong, bony armor. A twisting arm with tiny suckers. Whose tentacle is this? It's a squid. Squids can stretch their tentacles to grab prey, and some even glow in the dark sea. Spotted skin, gray and white like snow underwater. Yes, a narwhal. Narwhals are sometimes called the unicorns of the sea, with their long tusks and shimmering speckled skin. A gentle eye, round and calm, watching slowly from the water. It's a manatee. Manatees are peaceful giants, often called sea cows, spending their days drifting and grazing on sea plants. A hard shell and a snapping claw, ready to grab. Yes, it's a crab. Crabs walk sideways with their strong claws, perfect for holding food or defending themselves. A tiny glowing light, shining in the dark, deep sea. That's right, an anglerfish. Say it again, anglerfish. Anglerfish use their glowing lure to trick other fish into swimming close, right into their mouths. A soft feather, built for flying far across the waves. Yes, an albatross. Albatrosses can fly for thousands of kilometers without stopping, gliding on the wind above the ocean. A dark, pointed feather, strong against the sea wind. It's a frigate bird. Frigate birds are clever hunters. Sometimes they catch fish near the sea's surface, and sometimes they even chase other birds to win their meal.